So now it's time to install and configure JAP. So for that, we have to get into our JAP OS documentation. Here is the JAP documentation from the OWASP, and you can find that link www.japroxy.org. Okay, so let's get into the download page. Just click on the download page. It will take you to the download JAP page, and inside that you can see a JAP installers for Windows 64 and 32-bit, then a Linux installers and packages, and Mac OS installer. So there are a good amount of Docker images available on the download site listed uh, here. So multi-platform installer builders and unattended mode and release notes. And if you scroll down here, you can see that a multi here you can see that Docker images available also. So there are different types of Docker images from the stable, bare, quickly, live. So anything can be used. And then here we have JAP weekly. So weekly cross-platform packages. And then you can use this package management tools, package managers. So Linux repos, you can use this for Chocolatey to install this in Windows. Either you can use directly Chocolatey, you can say Choco install JAP, or FlatHub, Homebrew for Homebrew Cask, that's for Mac OS, and Snapcraft. You can use the package management tool also, and then Scoop. Okay, for us, I want it for Windows. So let me scroll up completely. So either I can click on this Windows 64 installer download, and it will begin downloading. Yeah, it started downloading the JAP windows.exe. It's too much, 239 MB. It's gonna take some time. So by the time we will get into the scroll down, and we will see the one more method that's possible. So the another method that we have here is either you can go with the Docker image, but I want to do it for Windows, so I will go for with the Chocolatey. So Chocolatey. So of course you might have installed the Chocolatey by now. So in our previous cases, so that's why. So I'm not going to show you how to install Chocolatey. So I'll directly copy this Choco install JAP, and let's execute this command in our machine, in our local machine. Let me copy this completely. Okay, that's okay. Anyway, let me open Windows PowerShell, run as administrator, run as administrator, then clear the screen first and say Choco install JAP. So it's going to install JAP. So by installing, you accept licenses for the packages. That's okay. So by the time I'll get back, okay, I have to give S. Just say capital Y. Error, the running command stopped because the performance variable error action performance or common parameter is set to stop. Java home isn't set. Ensure you set the environment variable to Java 11 installation. The installation of Java was not successful. Okay, so Java is not available, so that's the reason we are unable to install this. So I thought I have installed Java, so it was there. Okay, I have another version of Java. Okay, let's install the Java. Okay, so that's the issue. So now to install the Java, we need to get into sorry, just to install the Java, we need to get into the Java Oracle, and then so let me click on view accounts. So I do not have any account signed in. Let me click on create an account. Yeah, and let me scroll down first. Yeah. Okay, then let me click on create an account. So verify your email address to use your account. So let me check my email address. So we have sent an email to this, and with a button to verify your email address. Did you receive the email address? Yes, I have received it. Done. All set. Now it's time to log into the Oracle account. So let me give my password. Yeah, so we got logged into this. Let me update this. Okay, so now we can download the respective Java version. So I'm gonna go with Java 11. Yeah, here is that. Java Development Kit 11.0.8 and ARM 64 package. I'll go with the Windows, not so 60 x64 installer for 141.4. So let me click on this to download that. So I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network license agreement for Oracle Java SE and click on download. And let's wait until it gets downloaded, and you can see the lot of API responses that I have worked on for Volvo. Okay, just let's go through this Oracle's website. So here you can, oh, nice logo, fantastic with the back with a shadow. And here you could see the Linux version, the latest version, Oracle Java Development Kits 19.0.2. And if you click on here, you'll get the 17.0.6. And Linux, ARM, whereas macOS, ARM and X and Windows, you'll find x64 compressed and x64 installer or x64 MSI installer. So there's MSI is one type of extension package manager. Okay, I think it's done. Let me click on downloads and open it. Yeah, and let me get into the hands-on. Yeah, it's ready. Now I have to install Java development into my machine. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, of course. Yeah. So welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 11.0.18. So install Java in this location C, and the program files Java and JDK11. Absolutely fine. Go ahead and install it in that location. Installation is nothing but fetching files from somewhere else. That's what we are going to do. That's downloading that .exe package and then put it in a specific folder that's in Windows. Click next step 2, access tutorials, API documentation, developer guidelines, release notes, and more to help you get started with the JDK. Okay. At this moment, I don't need. Let me close it. Yeah, let's get into the documentation now. So chocolatey. Okay, OWASP. And I'll scroll down a bit. And here, this is what we're going to use. Choco install chap. Before that, let me get into this. So Java let me paste it and install it. The running command stopped because of preference. Okay, there is Java home isn't set. Ensure you set this and you run. Okay, let's do one more thing. In spite of this, we will directly install the application from there. So let me say jap. Let's install it and get the Java home. Yes. So next, accept the agreement. Standard installation. Yeah, everything is fine. And start installing it. Okay, completing the OWASP jet attack proxy setup wizard. Let me click on finish. Yeah, JAP is ready. Let me open, run it as administrator and say S. That's right. Yeah, our OWASP is ready for attack on. Yeah, so Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this app. Okay, so Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this Java platform SE binary on all public and private networks. Okay, hello Java platform. I'll click public networks such as, okay, allow access. You just access just for this. We'll just allow it. Do you want to persist this Java JAP session? Yes, we want to. Yeah. As I want to persist this session with the name based on the current timestamp, or but I want to specify name as I want to persist this session, but I want to specify the name and location. So this is what I want. I'll click on start. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give, yeah, a knob, hands on. So session first jab. And here is our jab. Welcome to OWASP JAP. JAP is an easy to use integrated penetration testing or pen testing tool. Penetration testing tool for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. If you are new to JAP, then it's best to start with the like some of the documentation, going through the documentation. So you have two types. One is automated scan and second one is manual explore, or the third one is learn more. So let's click on this run an automated scan against your application. That's one way. Or you can do the manual explore your application. That's another way. And just to go through everything, just let me click on learn more. And here you would see the documentation. It has a three windows. Left window, and the right bottom window and then right pane. Either you can say the left pane, bottom pane, and right pane. And here you could see the clear cut documentation of the chap. Local getting started guide, desktop user guide, and this. We will look into the getting started guide in the next video.